Welcome everybody to our session of cycle modeling. We have assembled different pieces like seat, handle, front caster and more. Now it's time for assembling wheel. So first assemble the wheel in the back part. I mean here. Here. First let's assemble the wheel at this part. First let's make mounting here. Okay, so now mounting is made. Now we have to install our wheel. Here is our wheel. We are gonna use Revolute Mate. As you can see, our wheel has been mounted. No matter how it's mounted, since it is a toy cycle, so don't have a look at these things. Look how it is moving. Okay. Similarly, we are gonna mount front wheel also, but for now this much is enough. Thank you. Any comments, any doubts, and please mention below.